Hello and welcome to my channel. It's been a while. Today is going to be a different video. So today I'm going to rank motorcycles into a tier list, and I've asked ChatGPT to give me 20 random bikes, and then I'll rank as I go. So the first bike is the Honda Super Cub, and it's the classic CB125. You see it everywhere. It's the postie bike, and it's pretty much like one of the most iconic bikes Honda has ever made. I love the 125 platform, but I'm not super fan of the Super Cub. I'll give it a I'll give it a B. You know, I respect it a lot. All right, on to the next one. Yamaha R1. What do I think of Yamaha R1? Fucking the most beautiful sport bike out there. It's probably toe to toe to the Panigale. Downside, it's too tall. I can't ride it. And I'm not a big fan of the crossplane sounds. So I would I'll give it a B. Number 3, Ducati Monster. It's an iconic naked bike from Ducati. There's nothing much else to say to it. I've sat on it, never ridden it. I don't know, it's got a V twin engine. Sounds good. Not super crazy about it. I'll give it a C. The next one is the BMW GS 1250. Probably the most iconic adventure bike out there. Like, it's the pinnacle of all your adventure bikes. I've never ridden an adventure bike before. I want to. I don't know what it's like to ride the GS 1250, but it's highly regarded amongst riders. So I would say you'll get a score of B, but who knows? Maybe it'll go up once I've ridden one. Number 5 is the Triumph Street Triple RS. I've never ridden one. I want to. It's really a nice looking bike. I'll give it a C. Alright, number 6 is the Triumph Trident 660. It's one of their recent platforms that just came out a few years ago, and I think it's a really good move from Triumph to release the 660 platform, and Trident is one of those using the 660. I like the look of it. It's LAMS approved, so that's a big win. I'd say it's a B. Yamaha MT-09 is our number 7. Triple engine, 900cc. It's a great bike. As far as I can tell, I've ridden one before. It sounds great. The sport bike version is released recently, which is the R9. I'll give it a B for that. Number 8 is our Ducati Panigale V4S. My dream bike. What can I say? It's the V4. It's the sport bike to get, and If that comes out in yellow, I'll get one, but unfortunately the yellow only comes out in the V2 platform, so I'll give it an A. Honda Goldwing is our number 9. It's the, I guess it's the bike to get when you're just retired. It's got a 6-cylinder engine. It's got everything you need in there. I don't know, man. I don't like these type of bikes. I'm not a fan. I'll give it a D. Number 10, Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. I'll give it an A. Number 11 is the Suzuki GSX 8R. I believe this is one of the recent releases from Suzuki. I've never ridden one. I've only seen them in photos. I've seen the 8S in person, the blue one. So I don't know. I'm just not a fan of it. I'll give it a D. Number 12, Royal Enfield Classic 350. One of your classic bikes coming from Royal Enfield. LAMS approved. So that's a good thing. I like it. Not much else to say about it. I'll give it a C. Number 13 is the Indian Scout / Sport Chief. Cruiser bikes. Yeah. Not a big fan of them. But I prefer Indians over Harleys, so I guess they get a better score. I would give it a I'll give him a C. Number 14, the Zero SRS. That's an E. Come on, guys. Number 15 is the Honda CRF 300L. It's a dual sport bike from Honda. I like it. I'm a fan of dual sport myself. I want to get one. And it's 300cc, low seat height, perfect. I'll give it a C for that one. And that's it, guys, for part 1. I know I said 20 bikes, but I just went 15. It's too much. I'll try 15 for every video. I hope you like it. I know I haven't been really generous with my ranking, but I'm not really a fan of the bikes that are presented for me. So yeah, we'll see what it's like on part 2. Stay tuned.